Dale, go in there and get a rock.
Where's them rocks at?
He's feeling for his
He'll
feet.
go all the way up the shore with it too.
What are you doing, dude? Get back in here.
Get out of here. He'll go back.
Oh, did he fill it? He is just so comfortable in the water, isn't he? I can't find it. Down there. I don't feel it with my feet. Nothing? No, it got my ears, he says.
That's why he won't go all the way under. It's because it gets in his ears.
Good boy, Dale. Stay. No. God. You have to be fast to get it past him. So he's feeling for it with his feet. Tries to pull it back to shallower water. I think he's got it. Now he's got to find it again. Nope. He uses his feet to find the rock. Oh, he found it. There it is. Oh, maybe that was a different one. Oh, that's a stick. This is possibly the smartest lab in the world. Where's that rock at? Dale, find that rock.
Get it.
Find it, man. Oh, oh, oh.
Look at these.
See if he gets it. Bam, got it. Perfect retrieval. That was amazing.
You know there's another one.
Good work, buddy. There's two more in there. You gotta go get those. Here, give me that rock. Come here. Drop it right here. All right, get it for me. Get it. You dropped it. Get it. Where's that? It's right down there. You should have put it on the deck. Give me that rock. Bring it here. Come here, drop it. There you go. Good boy. Now there's two more. Go get them. Go get the other one. You know where they are. Go get them. Good boy.
You must be on one.
He's pulling it up right now.
A big one. He's got it.
Oh, it's a stick maybe. Yep. We're cleaning up the beach.
He's so funny. He feels it with his feet. Reverse.
He's got it. What do you got? Dale, what do you got?
Your rock.
Oh, you got a rock. You got a good rock.
You drop it?
Good job.
Where's your rock?
What'd you find, buddy?
Got any fish?
Good boy, Dale. You have your fishing license?
You have to find it.
Good boy. Good fetch.